Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, the Meizu E3 sports a 5.99-inch FHD Plus display with minimal bezels. It's powered by the new Snapdragon 636, the same SoC seen on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It features an impressive 6GB availed DDR4X RAM and 64GB of storage, which, for example, is the same amount of memory seen on the new Samsung Galaxy S9. On the camera side of the fence, the E3 features a dual rear camera setup comprised of a 12MP f/1.9 Sony IMX362 sensor and a 20MP f/2.6 Sony IMX350 sensor for 2.5x optical zoom. At the front resides an 8MP f/2.0 sensor. Meizu cameras usually impress in their price bracket. The RAM 6 Note had excellent cameras for $150, for example, and the hardware listed here is top notch. We wouldn't be surprised to see real-life camera performance close to last-gen flagship levels. The Sony IMX362 sensor was used on devices like the Vivo's Play 6, HTC U11, and Nubia Z17. After all, the device ships with a 3360 mAh battery, with a USB Type-C port for Meizu's 20W mid-hash. Like on the Meizu M6s, the E3 features a side-mounted Super M back button that doubles up as a fingerprint sensor. The 6/64GB variant will sell for about $285, while the 6/128GB variant will retail for $315. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends. Cause you all the best.